Good to see you here, and I hope you're doing well. Today we're talking about music. Music is one of the key imperative elements when it comes to any kind of videos. It's like half the viewing experience. I've been getting tons of questions on YouTube comments and DMs about where and what was the music that I used for my B-roll videos as well as my transition videos. So today I'll show you guys exactly how I find my music using Artlist, which is also the partner of today's video. Basically, once you're subscribed to Artlist, you can use the music wherever and however you want. This could be on YouTube, Facebook, or any of the client work commercial that you're working on. There's no catch here at all. You can use it literally anywhere you want. And every song artists put on their platform is clear with YouTube already, so you don't have to worry about your video getting flagged or demonetized. Now here's the best part. It's unlimited download of songs, and once you download a song with an active subscription, you can use it forever, even if you don't resubscribe. The subscription is $199 a year for music and $149 for sound effect. You can also get both for $299 a year. This price is really hard to beat considering the ease of use and the quality Artlist provides. There's also new music and sound effect added every single day to their website. Let's hop over to the computer so I can show you guys how I search for my music using Artlist. This is their main page, and whenever I have a video idea or topic, I start browsing on the site here in video theme, which is the fastest and easiest way to start searching for the suitable music that goes well with the video, in my opinion. You can also add more tags to your search in order to narrow down to the specific type of music that you're looking for. If you have absolutely no idea where to start at first, there's also Spotlight, which has curated albums that can help you get started quickly. Artlist has a wide variety of genres in here, and yes, they do have indie music, for those of you who are wondering. What I usually do is look through the waveform here and identify how the song might sound like before playing the music. I also drag it around according to the waveform as well to get a better feel of the music. With the video that I'm working on, I'll just go on the right over here with the download sign. Once you click it, it'll turn into a shopping cart, and I'll be able to download it after checkout. Or on the right over here, there's a star icon, and this is when I love the music so much, I'll just mark a star on it. If I want to save the song and use it for future projects, I hit the folder icon and save it in my own collection here. This way I can go into my collection and browse through the songs that I know I like already, and all I have to do is choose the one that fits the type of video I'm making. Oh, by the way, there's a mute button on the top over here, and that is for you to sort out all of the music that has vocal in it. So basically, you can just go through the ones that only has instrumental. And you can identify the music that has vocal in them if you see the mic icon on the side here. Now, if you hover your mouse over it, you can see the lyrics of the song. I know, I love it. Next thing you know, they'll have those karaoke effects so you can sing along. Okay, I was kidding, maybe they won't. Okay, there's another feature I want to point out here, and that is you can quickly just sort the list of music with this drop-down menu. Here's staff pick, top downloads, and newest. I don't know about you guys, but I always start with the newest song first. It's kind of like listening to an artist's newest released album. And even better, I can possibly use it for my video. Whenever I hop onto their website, there's always new, fresh, and inspiring music. The variety of music that Artlist has is pretty amazing. There are so many times where I wish they have an app so I can listen to the music on the go. And if I stumble upon something that I want to use for my video, I'll just mark it down. Just a random idea. By the way, Artlist also has a stock footage licensing platform called Artgrid. It works exactly the same way like Artlist. And if you don't ever want to talk to a camera to make videos, this might be the perfect solution for that. Or if you ever need B-roll videos that you might not have the time or the right equipment to create, you will be able to find it in Artgrid. The quality of these stock footage are insanely good, all shot by top filmmakers from the industry. Very high quality cinematic video that you can use not only for YouTube, but also for commercial and client work as well. There's new clips uploaded every day and all of them are royalty free. The subscription for Artgrid comes in 3 tiers. Junior can access to HD clips, creator have 4K, ProRes, and professional tier can get raw and log footage to play around with. Again, this works exactly like Artlist. Once you subscribe, there's no hidden fees. If you go to the left side, you'll find filmmakers. And over here, you can see a group of clips in collections. So the creator can get the exact feel of the shot instead of wandering around looking for random clips. As you probably noticed already, all the footage on the website is already color graded, but with the professional plan, you'll have access to the raw and log footage. So once you sign up for Artlist, you'll get a referral code, and whoever uses that code will be able to get 2 free extra months from their subscription. At the same time, you'll get 2 extra free months, and the tier goes up. Once you refer to 10 friends, you'll be able to get lifetime subscription. As we speak, Artlist just rolled out a cinematic creator pack for their members as a holiday deal, and I just downloaded mine. It's got sound effect, flare, glitch, and even LUTs. All of these are free, so this is the best time to sign up if you're looking for music, sound effect, or stock footage for your videos. It's also a win-win for both sides of creators, so if you're interested, I'll leave the link in the description so we can both get 2 extra free months. Alright, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for being here. As usual, don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Maybe ring the bell on your way out, and I'll see you guys in the next one.